Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to talk about if your display not show in running PC, if you on your PC but your PC is running but your display not show but your display not open, how you can fix this. First you need to remove your BIOS battery or CMOS battery and then you need to put in the same direction. You need to wait 2 to 5 minutes after remove this battery. Then you need to install this again. You need to open your RAM and clean your RAM with eraser like this. So after removing your RAM, you need to install properly your RAM. Then if this issue is not solving, then you need to go in another step. Then you need to properly plug in your VGA cable with monitor and your PC. Then if this issue is not solving, you can also use another VGA cable or you can also another RAM to see if there have any problem in your RAM or VGA cable. You can also clean your RAM slot to see there are any dust or any rubbish inside there. This may cause to not show display in your PC. So properly clear this. So after doing all of this, if you don't see your display not enabled or if your display not running, then you need to go repair shop to repair your PC. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.